Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation. Now for those who don't know VMware is a tool that allows you to run multiple operating systems on your host computer. So now let's download and install VMware. And to do that, open your Google Chrome browser and then let's search for VMware. So you can see the drop down over here, Workstation Player. So click on Workstation Player. And then you can see download for free. This is VMware Workstation Player. So let's click on download. Now once you click on download, it's going to take you to this page where you select the version. So you go with the latest version, which is version 16.0, and then you can see the release date, which is July 21st 2022. So let's go to download over here, and then you can see over here VMware 16.2.4 for 64 bits, and this is for Windows based PC, and this is for Linux. So we are going with the one for Windows. You can also see the size, which is 584 megabytes. So let's download. Okay guys, so you can see VMware has been successfully downloaded. So let's install. Now click on next. Accept the terms. Next. Next. And then install. Now this will take some time, so you just have to wait patiently. So guys, VMware has been successfully installed. You can see our VMware Workstation 16. So let's finish. So now you can see VMware Workstation on my PC, and I can open this program to start. Okay, so we are using the free version. You can see use VMware Workstation 16 Player for free for non-commercial use. So let's continue. Finish. So basically, this is how to install VMware on any Windows PC. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.